Validating product performance, reliability, and safety does not have to wait until a physical prototype. You need answers at any time during the product development process so you can make better informed decisions faster. The simulation roles of 3DEXPERIENCE Works give you world-class multi-physics analysis tools coupled with cloud computing and unified on a single collaborative environment. For many products, physical testing is a necessity. However, with multiple design iterations, revisions, and testing scenarios, this real-world validation becomes very expensive. To optimize these costs, products are tested virtually with the same real-world conditions. Connecting SOLIDWORKS to the 3DEXPERIENCE Cloud platform enables you to rapidly iterate and validate as you go, and design the best performing products before a physical prototype is ever made. Structural analysis like this is common to discover product issues early. Track metrics like durability, user comfort, even manufacturability of formed metal components. Industry-leading Abacus technology makes it possible for you to reach these next-level validations. And since the results are stored on the cloud, you can easily share and review from anywhere without spending time publishing a printed report. But product performance relies on so much more. Simulate fluid flow to assess hydrodynamic effects. Couple external fluid forces with structural analyses to help ensure everything will work right the first time. Evaluate the manufacturability of plastic injection molded parts, leveraging an included material database of thousands of supplier plastics. And virtually test electromagnetic components for their performance, reliability, and safety in harsh environments. Simulating these multi-physics scenarios on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform streamlines the validation process by keeping everyone in sync with the single source of design data. And alternatives to the product design can be easily explored and optimized. Compare and rank different designs and variations based on key performance indicators, whether that be the electromagnetic performance, operating thermal conditions, structural integrity, durability, and more. The ability to run these simulations on the cloud is included, so you can leverage high-performance computing to get your results faster and free up your local hardware. Exceed your customers' expectations, satisfy industry requirements and regulations, and build your optimized product right the first time, all on a single platform and connected with SOLIDWORKS. Structural, fluid dynamics, plastic injection, electromagnetics, even kinematics. What's on your horizon? Be ready to take it on with 3DEXPERIENCE Works.